is on early years and MilePost 1 assembly. For most of our friends, it's their first time performing on stage. So they're very, very excited, but they're also very nervous. So do you think you can be a thoughtful friend and show them how to be respectful and enjoy the assembly? If you can do it, give me a thumbs up. Well done. So here we go.
Good afternoon and welcome to the MilePost assembly. We are a reception board in classes at KIS. Our objective today is to remind everyone what it means to be thoughtful and kind. We have worked hard at home and school to practice our skills in listening and talking. We have a study set activities and a song to reflect on our learning journey. This is sit back and enjoy our assembly. This is the story The Rabbit Listened by Dorothy. One day, Tucker decided to build something new, something special. It was hard, but people don't know where things came from.
Let's give him a chance. Let's give him a chance to try it again. Okay.
Taylor was proud, but then out of nowhere things came. But Jacob was the first to notice. Clack, what I came, I'm so sorry. Let's talk about the clack. But Toro didn't feel like talking, so the chicken left. Next came the bear. Grrr. How rebel bets. I bet you feel so angry. Let's shout at it. Grrr. But Taylor didn't feel like shouting, so the bear left. The elephant knew just what to do. Sure, but I can fix it. We just need to remember exactly the things to word. But Taylor didn't feel like remembering, so the elephant also left. One by one they came, the hyena. Let's laugh about it. The ostrich, go. Let's hide and pretend nothing happened. The kangaroo. What a mess! Let's throw it all away. And that's it. Shh. Let's go knock on someone else's. But Taylor didn't feel like doing anything with anybody. So eventually they all left until Taylor was alone. In the quiet, Taylor didn't even notice the rabbit, but it moved closer and closer until Taylor could feel its warm body. Together they sat in silence until Taylor said, "Please stay we learned how to help each other in the playground and in the class. We are very kind to each other. We are serious learners. We sit still to learn more. We listen to others to show respect.
We're very excited to get on stage. Can you see how many of them are here on the stage? We cover the whole stage, right? But remember, we still need to be respectful and thoughtful because if you're talking while the video's playing, nobody can hear anything. Are you ready for the final performance? Thank you. So open up your eyes, open up your ears, and listen.
Everybody gets a heart. Everybody gets a heart.
Let's give the student reception a warm applause. We're going to introduce ourselves. Give them a big round of applause.
We are ending today with a thoughtful song. Please sing with us.
Everybody gets a song. Everybody gets a mind to let them know that we can be smart, we can be kind, we can be living by giving and loving all the time. So on the days when it's feeling time and it seems like you don't have enough, let's be thankful for our friends and family and grateful for the air that we breathe and appreciate everything that we have today. Let's be generous to anyone who has less than us. It's good to be compassionate ever since the day we were born. Yeah, we got to be thankful for. Yeah, we got to be thankful for. Everybody gets to land, and everybody gets to see. So everybody lend a hand to those in need. 'Cause we can be nice, we can all share. We can keep growing together, it's better when everyone cares. So on the days when it's feeling tough, and it seems like you don't have enough, let's be thankful for our friends and family and grateful for the air that we breathe and appreciate everything that we have today. Let's be generous to anyone who has less than us. It's good to be passionate ever since the day we were born. Yeah, we got to be thankful for. Yeah, we got a lot to be thankful for. So, what do you think?
I'm thankful for my family.
So on the days when it's feeling tired and it seems like you're dying, let's be everything we appreciate, everything we have today. Let's be generous to anyone who has us in us. It's good to be passionate ever since the day we born. Yeah, we got a lot to be thankful for. Yeah, we got a lot to be thankful for. We got a lot to be thankful for. Yeah, we got a lot to be thankful for.
Can we give our young students another big round of applause? And we're very thankful to you today for sharing this beautiful message with all of us. There's so many things to be thankful for every single day. So thank you. Can we give them another big cheer? Well done. Okay, give 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm sure you can remember just a few years ago, you were just like them. Just started in your reception and primary learning journey. So I would like to thank some of you in the audience who are using your senses. I will appreciate our younger students. You're using your eyes to watch, your ears to listen, while our younger students use their hands to show you a message and their mouth to sing a beautiful song and read a beautiful story to you. I have to say, I think I can speak on behalf of all the teachers and the audience here. Can you raise your hand again if you were the storytellers? Who were the ones that told the story just now? You did a beautiful job. You are such great storytellers with different character voice. Hold on, let me see. Who is the one that has a snake? Snake, who's the one that is? Divansh. Can we give him a big round of applause? You are a wonderful storytelling voice you have. Well done. And another mention I want to say, Laura. Where are you, Laura? Where's Laura? Did anybody notice what Laura did on stage when her friends were telling a story? She did something that showed us a great example of our IBC personal learning goals. What did she do? Did you notice? What did she do?
She helped her friend.
Absolutely. Can you give Laura a huge round of applause? Beautiful job, boys and girls. Okay? So, I hope that our younger students have taught us a very important message. Things to be thankful for. Just for today, give a thumbs up if you had a good breakfast. You can be thankful for that. Give a thumbs up if you learned some, if you did not learn something, I'm sure you all did that. Give a thumbs up if you had a good laugh with your friend today. You can be thankful for that, for good friends, and many, many more. Can we give our teachers a big round of applause as well, because we're very thankful for our teachers. All right, boys and girls. I hope you have a lovely rest of the day. And pay attention to the senses, things that we can be thankful for. All right, can we please get ready to head back to class? But before you go, give another big round of applause to you.